A case being heard in the Ohio Supreme Court could change how cities handle gun safety regulations.
Both Columbus and Cincinnati have requirements to lock guns up so kids can't get their hands on them. They're blocked right now, though, as the fight over the rules makes its way through the courts.
Tonight, our Columbus Bureau reporter Morgan Trow is following through for you, bringing us each side of the gun policy debate in our state.
I had rabies and was attacking me, a pit bull, and I shot and killed that dog. It was like a few inches away from me when I fired my weapon.
After what he calls a wild dog tried destroying the screen on his front door, Josh Williams says he's grateful he was able to grab his firearm.
Your gun is not going to be in your hand, loaded, ready, every time a threat produces itself.
And that's a reason why the state representative opposes the city of Columbus's gun safety regulations. One of their ordinances requires owners to lock up their firearms when they aren't using them in an effort to curb the growing number of accidental child shooting deaths. This law is currently blocked from going into effect, but Columbus has asked the Ohio Supreme Court to step in and pause the block while the case goes through the lower courts.
The state should step away and allow the city to implement their own laws that protects its citizens.
Gun violence survivor Eric Bellamy argues that safe storage laws save lives and that retrieving your gun from a safety lockbox is quick and it won't prevent people from protecting themselves from an intruder. But what it will do is keep everyone in the home safe. According to state data, at least 16 people died in 2024 from accidentally discharging a firearm. But Everytown research found that dozens of other Ohio accidental shootings led to injuries. Bellamy says that keeping weapons locked up could also help prevent the rise in teenage gun violence.
Nobody's trying to take your gun rights away. Nobody's trying to do that, but we're just trying to make it safer for kids and people that are at risk of harming themselves or other people.
Williams argues that the government shouldn't be getting involved in his Second Amendment rights. But he does say that parents need to choose to be more responsible with their guns. I asked how we balance the Second Amendment concerns versus keeping kids safe from accidental shootings. How do we bridge that?
Yeah, I mean, those are always going to be possible as long as we have firearms in our communities, and I believe firearms have to be there.
The Supreme Court justices will debate this for the next few months. At the Ohio State House, I'm Morgan Trout reporting.